and joining me on this trip today, Elizabeth. And it'll just be me and her, along with our dog lady. If you watched some of my videos before, I took our dog out on my last solo trip. This weekend, I brought her along with my youngest. So we're gonna go explore this trail that's right here in Broken Bow. There are several trails out here that aren't mapped yet, and I'm just out to explore, hit up some of these that I haven't been to. And hopefully at the end of this trail, we'll be able to camp right by the lake. So I really like camping next to water. Really makes our nights more peaceful to sleep at, just to hear that water running. Things are awesome, right? Just set it and forget it. That's what I was worried about. We had just started this trail. Now I did bring the Sawzall. Could just cut it out of the way. It's broken right there. Look at all those trees that are...
Is there an alternative option?
There's always an alternative option. The question is, how much work do I want to put into getting across? So this road has been blocked off by this tree. And the one that's up ahead too.
We can cut it down, right?
I don't know. Hey, let me see if there's another way. So I measured the puddle over there. This is how deep it is. I think we'll be okay. There's a wet mark.
I think it'll be fine.
Well, what I could do is come this way and keep one wheel on this side.
Yeah.
Instead of both. All right, so we got to this spot where there's a little bit of a space where we parked, and you can see right behind me where we're trying to go. This trail will lead me down there. Well, at least that's what it looks like on the map. But that's my goal, to get over there and sleep by the lake tonight. So I'm looking forward to it. So far, this trail has been A little bit more challenging than I expected, but nothing that the Nissan can't handle. So as you can see, we're not camping by the water. That's because when we got down to the campsite I had originally planned on the map at the end of this trail, it was not what we expected. It was just not a pretty sight. The water was still green. It looked very swampy. So we decided to turn around about a quarter mile back to a campsite that we had found on the way there. This one sat on top of a hill, and it turned out to be better than my original plan. Come on, lady. All right, well, yesterday when we got to camp, we came through this trail and this tree was not here yesterday. And on our way back out, now the tree is here. I don't have any battery powered tools, or I do have a Sawzall, but the battery is almost drained and it's not going to be enough to get rid of this tree. So I'm going to have to hand saw this tree out of the way. So we're gonna have to put some work into getting out of here, but that's okay. That's all part of the adventure. And thankfully I brought my handsaw. Let's get to work. I need to get a chainsaw. Chainsaw would have been easier. I thought I broke there for a second. This happened yesterday, last night. There's an alternate. We're gonna pull this out of the way. All right, we did it. Got this thing pulled out of the way. Cutting those 3 trunks was brutal. I definitely need to get me a chainsaw to carry around when I go out on the trails, but we got it done, made an opening, and time to keep going.